right, so this is a boat bay, 10-foot door, 30-foot deep. You walk in, this is the modern Prairie elevation. So the front of the house looks like this. The reason we chose this because it's free. All the other elevations cost an upgrade fee. So we chose to do the least expensive one. And then when you walk in, you've got a long separation from the front rooms and the master, as well as the living area for sound deadening and just a little bit of space for you guys. On the left-hand side is the office space. We are still moving in, so disregard all the clutter. Lots of windows, a ton of natural light, which is what drew us to this floor plan. Here's the first full bath, dual vanity, pop-in shower. One of the bedrooms. My wife has a red light sauna. Pretty interesting. Closet space, 10-foot ceilings throughout the entire house. The entryway is a 16-foot ceiling, so you have a little bit more height. Second bedroom here, same closet size. And then as you come down the hallway, you can see the tall ceilings. You've got the half bath or the powder bath. You guys can change up the look and feel. Your laundry room does not go through to the master on this floor plan, but it is a good size. Mudroom area, just off of the garage. The garage is an absolute disaster, so like I said, we're still moving in. But basically you would turn this room here, this area, would be your bonus room, or your fifth living space, in addition to the office and the 3 bedrooms. The garage is plenty big. You've got about almost 1,200 square foot, tall ceilings, and basically like a mini RV bay. So, and then you still have your standard 2-car here. And like I said, this would be 1 additional bedroom. And I'll send over the costs of those additions as well. And then you come into the main living area. Really open, lots of room. It's over 30 foot wide, so plenty of space for you. Standard island, your dining room pocket. These windows are all standard, they're 7 foot, allow a ton of natural light in. A lot of counter space, pockets here. And then the pantry space is pretty good size as well. And then here's basically the living room area. So this is a 65-inch TV. You could easily put it up here. You can do no fireplace mantle and seating area, floating shelves or built-ins, however you want to do it. Everything costs a little bit of an upgrade item fee. You walk in, it's got a pocket closet here for miscellaneous items. And then the master bedroom. So our floor plan, we have it bumped out 2 feet in the master bedroom. So it's 2 feet wider. The living room and dining room are 3 feet wider or deeper. And so it gives you quite a bit of extra room. You've got the master bath here. Plenty of space. His and her vanity. Bathroom. Shower. Dual shower head. And then some floating shelves. And like I said, my side is a mess. Closet, disregard. But plenty of closet space. And then I'll take you out towards the back. There's just a lot of room in the master too, so you guys can set up seating areas or whatever you guys would like to do. And then the covered patio area. Out back. We're kind of on top of our back neighbors, so we're gonna have to do some creative landscaping. But here's the covered patio. And we're on 0.3 acres, which is a pretty good sized lot, over 10,000 square foot. And we have quite a bit of side on this too. It's a little muddy though. So it's the look and feel of the Ridgeview with the popped out the living and dining room and then master bedroom. And yeah, we've loved the floor plan for utility. It makes a lot of sense. And if you add that 4th bedroom in the garage bay, you'll have your bonus space too. So I'll send over costs and you guys can see what you think.